Quacky goes to explore the farm. Quacky spotted a mischievous cat nearby. What are you doing, Mr. Meow? Meow, meow. I'm chasing the butterfly. Do you want to play hide and seek with me? Quack, quack. Yes, I do, said Mr. Meow. They had so much fun playing hide and seek. Ducky saw a smart owl sitting on a tree branch. Hoot, 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 hoot. Quack, 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 quack. Owl, can you teach me a nighttime song? Yes, of course, little Quacky. Listen closely. Quacky and Owl sang a lovely song together. Hoot, 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 quack, 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 quack. Quacky spotted a playful dog with a ball in its mouth. Hi, doggy. Can we play fetch game together? Oof, absolutely, Quacky. Fetch the ball. As Quacky continued his playful adventure, the farmer spotted him. Well, what do we have here? A naughty little ducky having fun. Quack, quack, I'm just spreading joy, farmer, said Quacky. All the farm animals gathered around Quacky, laughing and having a blast. Quack, quack, friends, let's always be silly together. They mewed, hooted, huffed and quacked. Quacky continues to explore the farm.